name is Michelle Dominguez and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, so I'm gonna hit you guys with a braided hair tutorial today, and I have all the essentials that you are going to need. First, you're gonna need, I have a cute little bag that I keep them all in so they don't fall out, but you're gonna need some rubber bands. I got clear elastic ones because my hair is like gray white hair and I don't want it to be seen. If you have black hair, you get black rubber bands. If you have like brown hair, I think they have for brunettes as well. Not entirely sure, but I do use these for Brielle, and Brielle does have like a brown, like light brown hair. Okay, and then you're gonna need bobby pins. And I don't have blonde bobby pins. I only have like these brownish, goldish kind of bobby pins, but these are the ones that I use. And then you're gonna need something to make straight little lines, so I'm gonna use this comb right here. And then to brush out your hair, you're gonna need a brush. Mine looks really gross on the other side, so I'm not gonna show you guys that side. But I do have the wet brush. So let's just jump into the tutorial, shall we? Okay, so first I'm going to do, I have my mirror here, so I'm going to be looking down. First I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do is do a straight line and in my side part, like that. And then I'm going to part the hair all the way up to the ear. And then, oh, and you're also gonna need a pin. So I also have a pin. You're also gonna need a clip to clip your the other parts of your hair out of the way. And then with your wet brush or any kind of brush that you have, you're gonna brush away, because I do have like little curls. Then you're gonna get the first section and then separate your hair into 3 parts. So you should have A, B, and C. So you're gonna put, A, so the first part right here is A, B, and C. You're gonna put A under B, and then you're gonna put C under A, and then you're gonna hold B, and then part A, you're gonna grab a little bit of hair and put it under B, and then you're gonna put it under C, and then you're gonna get B and cross it over like that. So you're gonna do like a little Dutch braid. So you're gonna get your part B right here, this is B, and you're gonna get some hair, put it under C, tighten it, and then get A, which is right here, and get some hair too, and then tighten it. And then this is still B right here. C always remains in the middle. And then, so right here is C. Finally, C is gonna pick up some hair. And then you're gonna put it under A. And then right here, B. You're gonna get some hair and you're gonna put it under A, which is right here. And then it should start looking like a braid. Don't get discouraged when the first few times, like this was my second row, my first and second row right here. When you first start doing it, it doesn't look like you did anything, but once you get to the 3rd row, it starts looking like a braid. And then I'm gonna get B and then get some hair and put it under. And then get C and put it under. I always leave a little bit of hair here out. And then finally get it, so I don't look like I'm balding. And then you're gonna just regular braid. And then this is where I end my braid. And then I let down my hair. And then I separate a little bit, put one hair here on this side. Then get my bobby pin and secure it. And I'm gonna do like crisscross like that, so the bobby pin stays. And then do that. So you should have something that looks like that. And then that's how you hide your little braid. And this is called a Dutch braid. So everything's like 3D. So this is our first braid. So the next braid that I'm going to do is the now trendy, they're called, but what I do is make a straight line, part my hair like that, and then for my eyebrow up, separate some hair, and then with my comb, I perfect that line. Make sure that they're both even on both sides. Okay. And then with my clip, I'm gonna clip the rest of my hair back like I did before. And then go and do the middle part again. Okay. And put this one behind my ear. Okay. So what you're gonna need for this hairstyle is obviously the comb, the brush, and then you're gonna need the 2 little clear elastics. Boop, 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 boop. And then you're gonna start with your first section. So put this back. And then again, the 3 pieces. So this is A, B, and C. So you put A under B, and then C under A. And then you're gonna have B, and you're gonna grab a little bit of hair and put it under A. And then you're gonna get C and put it under B. And then you're gonna get B again and put it under C. And then you're gonna get A and put A under B. And then B under C. And then A under B. Then I'm just gonna let you guys see, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You guys can see. Okay, put that one under there, and then that one under there, and then grab some hair. And then I'm just gonna let you guys I'm gonna fast forward it for you guys since I explained it on the first one. And then this is the second braided hair. I really like this hair style. I'm gonna use it a lot this spring and summer. I love it. It just keeps your front parts of your hair out of your face, and it's just really cute and girly. And I really like it with like wavy hair. I can't wait for my hair to grow so it can look even better. And yeah, so this is, I don't know what this braid is called. But let's call it the Festival 2 French braids.
No.
Call this hairstyle, this braided hairstyle, the two Dutch half braids. I think that's a cool name. Comment down below if you guys like that name. Give me 2 thumbs up. Yeah. And then the next hairstyle that I'm going to do is the one that I have like in almost all my vlogs, that I just have like that one French braid all the way in the back and then I tuck it in and it looks so classy. And yeah, so let's just get started. So what I first do is I part my hair right here. And then I do my 3 little braids really quickly. And then I get one hair and I put it under, so I get with B, so with this one right here, I pick up and then I hold it and then I go into, this one's A right here. I pick up some hair there and then remember this is B. I switch B, I put A under B and then this one right here is C. And then C comes up and then we grab a little bit of hair. Remember this is C. C goes under B, and then this is A. A picks up some hair, and then we tighten. You always tighten once you pick up the hair, so it could be tight and not loose. And then this is B, and then B picks up some hair, and then A is coming right here, and then C. So you just keep on picking up hair. So you just keep on grabbing hair. Alright. And then I'm gonna turn around. Let's see how I can do this. Okay. Hopefully I'm in frame. And then you just keep on picking up hair and then putting it. So I'm gonna pick up hair, put this under, pick up hair, and then pick up hair, and then finish it as a braid. And then I'm gonna secure it with an elastic. And then I'm gonna make it nice and thick and chunky. And then I'm gonna pull some hair here because I like how that frames my face, and then get some baby hair out. So my big old forehead, it's so big it could have its own area code. And then we're gonna get 2 bobby pins. I'm gonna turn around again. Let's see how I can do this. Okay. And then you're gonna find this part. You're gonna open like in here. Ow, be careful because it does hurt. I'm gonna loosen it first. And we tuck away the little tail. And then you bobby pin here. And you bobby pin your hair there. And your hair will not move. It will stay like this until you take it out at night. And I love doing this to my hair. This is like my go-to hairstyle. I just think it looks so cute and so like put together, and it's like you try, but literally it took me like 3 minutes to do. Normally it takes me like, it's 1, 2, 3, and I have it done. And I don't really mind sometimes if it's a little messy or anything like that. I think it adds a little bit of a little pizzazz. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my 3 braided hair tutorial. And please let me know if you guys recreate these looks, or if I should go in more detail, because I felt like I was pretty detailed. But if you guys still didn't, if you guys are still struggling on how to braid your hair and you guys want me to explain even more, I will. Please comment down below letting me know if you guys have any questions. Please comment down below what other videos you guys want to see from me next, because I only want to film what you guys want to see. So I'm going to give you guys a minute to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you Mitches later. Bye. I'm gonna show you guys again how the back of my hair looks. Bye Mitches. Love you guys.